This year, for Christmas, we're making lasagna with pumpkin. Now that's an alternative everyone will love. Let's make it together. Let's start by cooking the pumpkin, which, as you can see, I've already cut into cubes. And of course, the onion as well. In a saucepan, we add a drizzle of oil and the onion finely chopped into cubes, small pieces or slices. Basically, however you prefer. I add a pinch of chili pepper. If you want it, add it, otherwise don't. If we have kids, it's best to avoid it. And let's let the onion brown a little. After a couple of minutes, the onion is golden. At this point, let's add the pumpkin. Let's add some salt. Let's also put in a sprig of rosemary. This will give the pumpkin more aroma and flavor. Let's lower the heat a bit, cover it, and let the pumpkin stew. If it gets too dry, add a little bit of water, just a few drops though, not too much. While the pumpkin is cooking, I'll prepare some meatballs. Just the classic meatballs we usually make on Sundays, nothing fancy. What a wonderful smell. After about 15 minutes, the pumpkin is cooked. But as you can see, it has released all its liquid. Now we let it reduce, so we dry out some of the excess liquid. The excess liquid has dried up, not completely, but most of it. That's good enough. I remove the rosemary sprig, turn off the heat and let it rest. And with a fork, of course, I mash it a bit. Perfect. Here we have almost all the ingredients to assemble our lasagna. The meatballs, which I will slice finely. Some smoked provola cheese, the pumpkin we prepared earlier, and the lasagna sheets. And lastly, what's missing? We're missing the bechamel sauce. I'll make the bechamel sauce right now, just before preparing the lasagna. Let's prepare the bechamel sauce by melting the butter, adding the flour all at once, mixing well, cooking for a minute, and then adding the milk. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg, which I don't use because, as you all know, I'm allergic. So you can absolutely use it. And we bring it to a boil, always stirring. The bechamel has come to a boil. We let it cook for 20-30 seconds, then we turn it off and it's ready. You see, in a baking dish, we put a little bechamel. See how hot it is? This way, it's much softer and spreads better. We spread it well. We start by placing the first sheets and cover with more bechamel. I add the pumpkin. I add the chopped meatballs, some parmesan and some grated smoked provola cheese, like this. And I move to the second layer. Third layer completed, and let's close it up. Plenty of bechamel, a bit of pumpkin puree. Let's mix it. We finish the preparation with parmesan and also a bit of provola cheese. And if you like, a pinch of pepper too. Like this. And our lasagna is ready to go in the oven. I can't wait for it to come out of the oven. And here is our lasagna. It's beautiful. It just came out of the oven. It's so hot. I baked it at 180 C for 40 minutes with a fan oven. And this is the result. And now we just have to let it rest for a bit before we can cut it and then taste it. And now all that's left is to taste it. How delicious! And with this wonderful taste, I say goodbye and send you a hug.